Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3, real fast, I think. This might be the best way to do it. If you didn't watch the other parts, you'll be a little bit confused. This thing is 540. Let's set our nudge factor on 600. And let's get these out of the way. And let's take, and for the one I'm doing it for, he does like 75 sheets at a time. You could keep this template forever and use it for you wouldn't have to rebuild it. And this might help you. Take the Smart Fill tool. We're going to fill these in. I'm going to nudge them over. Whoop. So you just keep your hand on the right arrow key and nudge them over and do the whole block of them if you want. I get so used to go ahead and doing them all. I don't have to do it all because after you figure out. So then you have this. We can take all this and left click, right click, and we have these boxes. And these boxes are individual boxes. So now what you can do, first of all, let's try this. Let's try grouping them together, Control G. I don't know that that'll affect it. Yeah, we can't do that. I thought it'd be a nice way to get rid of it. Okay, we got individual boxes. We're going to put these 6 in there. I'm going to go you have to select the text first, then select the box, and then go EC. Text, box, EC. Text, shift, or hold down the shift, EC. So you're selecting both of them. Text, shift, EC. Text, shift, EC. Text, shift, EC. Now, we've still got our nudge factor on 600. And they're identical to that. Now, all I have to do is grab my text, nudge it over, 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 nudge it over. Those are in the center of your new tab. And if you didn't watch the first 2, the reason we're doing that is going to save cut time and more. This is going to have to cut out all the way around of every deal. I guarantee if I took that out to the shop, it might be close to 75% more time. This is only a few cuts, where this is, it might even be double. That'd be a good thing I might do that someday. But anyway, this would be the easiest. And like I said before, you'd have a sheet with these already in it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.